Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the HobbyKing Cessna TTX. This is very, very similar to the Cessna or Cirrus SR22T. Very similar planes, but different company. And this is just a like a little rascally plane. Very, very responsive, very fast for such a small plane. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay. Let me look at my rates here. I think I've got just one rate, and I do. 100% throws over 30% expo. Once that plane's up, she's up. I mean,
landing flaps.
Now, just because she's fast, that doesn't mean that you have to fly her super fast. You put the flaps down, it's got nice slotted flaps or Fowler flaps, and she'll fly around real pretty with those. Unfortunately, she's awfully small, so like I say, she's a small little plane. 1100 millimeter wingspan. There we go. The pilot didn't even spill his martini on that landing, which is good. We want our pilots not to spill their martinis. All right. Here, we'll try takeoff flaps with her.
Flaps up.
I'm running an 1800 3S in her. She's a 3S plane. A 1500 to 2200, but really an 1800 is about perfect. It's just about perfect. All right. Kind of get a look at the once she's down, she's down.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to take off this time with no flaps. Like I say, once she's up, she's up. Once she rotates up, she's up. By golly. Nice little plane. HobbyKing only runs her on sale, for sale, just once in a great while. They'll have about 10 of them, and then that's it. So you keep an eye on HobbyKing. Whoa, hit the grass. But like I say, unless you've got AstroTurf or a golf course, where it's soup, this plane is not for grass. I mean, that's like trying to drive a Honda Civic through the forest. It's just not going to work.
Flaps up.
I mean, look at how small the gear is and how small these wings are. Okay, how small these wheels are. That's not going to be conducive to grass. So you got to. This is a concrete and runway plane only. Yeah, they're not really good for grass unless it's just super, super short.
Flaps up.
All right. I'm flying over the club, but not away from the people that are here.
Landing.
Because I've actually got other people at the club tonight, believe it or not. It is not a private to me only club. There we go, and that's how you land that little guy.
Flaps up.
See, let me move them flaps back down. See what I'm talking about, the slotted flaps or Fowler flaps? See that big separation where the flaps, where the wing root is? That allows the air to still flow through there and you get more of a true speed brake, which is really what flaps are. They're just a speed brake or air brake. All right, let's get turned around. We're going to take off one more time. And once she's up, she's up. Well, I know I keep saying that, don't I?
Landing flaps.
I wish my wife, my precious camera lady, could be here tonight to film for me. She could zoom in on this little plane. Get lined up for the runway. Out of the power. There we go. And wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. All right, we got enough for one more.
Flaps up.
There we go. Let's go over here, put our flaps in. All right. Let's see if we can land this little guy. All right, kind of out of the power now, about an 8 throttle, quarter throttle. Okay. There we go. And once again, the pilot did not spill his martini. All right, folks, well, that is the HobbyKing Cessna TTX. Great little sport flyer.
Motor on.
Motor off. Yeah, you want to have your motor off, because the last thing you want to do is have to go to the hospital because you lopped a finger off because you got stupid and careless. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the HobbyKing TTX by Cessna plane. I don't know if it's officially licensed. I don't see the Cessna logo anywhere on it, but that's what it is. It's a Cessna TTX. You know what, while we're here, why don't we take the canopy off and I can show you the setup I've got. Now, she's a top loader, but in there I've got a Suplus, whatever, Pulse 1800 with a 50C discharge all the way forward. I'm running the Gen 2 Lemon RX with Stability Plus. Does have safe on board, but I'm not using it. I'm just using their version of AS3X or wind mitigation. And let's see how much juice is in the tank after a full 4.5 minute flight. I think it's 4.5 minutes anyways. And still got 56% left, so that's good. Just a good looking little plane. Good flying little plane. She got the lights, flashing nav lights on, and then one landing light. And it comes with 2 props, just so you know. But there again, remember, if you get this plane, not a grass plane, you can take these wheel pants off because the shaft does go through the wheel. You could remove, but there again, you've only got really small wheels, so, you know, proceed with caution on that. All right. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes.